personally, what are the leading factors that you look for when you're looking for a location for a laundromat build out or a retrofit or a new construction? What are those factors that you look for?
So we look for high density housing. So we want high density housing. And then we also want to be within a mile of some uh, middle to upper income housing. So I know that's kind of contrary where, hey, we just want to be in a lower income demographic. Our stores in all four of them are almost the same demographic. It's high density housing. And then within a mile, there's, upper middle to upper income, single family homes. And so we
Hmm.
capture a lot of vended business, we capture a lot of drop off business. And typically that type of demographic has a fair amount of small, light commercial business, B2B type business. And
Right.
so we capture that as well.
Right. You're kind of that in between market where, like you said, you're capturing several different revenue streams.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, whether it's salons, nail salons, beauty salons, health clubs,
Hmm.
some short-term rental
Hmm.
locations, and then, then the balance of our business is a strong vended business because we're in a high density housing area.
Right. Now, is that commercial business? Does that represent a big chunk of your business, or what percentage would you say is that commercial stuff?
I mean, there's commercial, there's drop off, I would don't,
I,
and I think commercial's confusing. I mean, I would say it's more, it's B2B where we're doing,
right.
Airbnb, we're not taking 1,000, 2,000 pounds. It's 200 here,
Right.
100 here, but we have
Hmm.
multiple types of accounts like that.
Hmm.
And as a collective, our store collective, at least 30% of our business is
Hmm.
drop off and pick up and delivery. So,
Perfect. Yeah.
you know,
Okay.
and
Nate.
our store in Plano, it's probably 40%,
Mhm.
B2B drop off, pick up and delivery. And our
Right.
store in Dallas, it's maybe only 15%.
Okay. Okay. Great. Sounds like you're in some great locations. Lee, same question for you. First of all, how many stores is the Wash House chain up to these days?
Well, we are about to run out of fingers and toes. We're, we we are working on number 40 right now.
Wow.
Fantastic. I love that. Well, what do you guys look for? What are the factors that you look for when you're considering a laundry location?
Yeah, so we are a chain of fully self-service laundromats. We do not offer any pickup, delivery, wash, dry, fold services. That
Mhm.
was a conscious decision that we made a while back. We just accepted the trade-off between perhaps additional revenue, um, just so that we could focus on our target customer. So her name is Angela, and
Mhm.
she is a minority female mother. And so we try to make sure that wherever we are going, we can serve her well. So some of the things that we look for are the things that we can't really change, and that's good demographics, which I'm sure we'll get into the nitty gritty of
Mhm.
that. High traffic. So if we're going to be in business, we're not a business park in the back corner
Mhm.
tenant or business model. So we want to have good visibility. So we want to be on a high traffic street that has really good ingress and egress. That's important to us to make sure that our customers, it's convenient, it feels safe because there's more people around. And typically just the feel of a busy area just continues to drive more business. So we have acquired a few existing stores. That's our model of growth, is through existing store acquisitions. And we've acquired a few that are in a shopping center that's maybe B minus. But
Okay.
in that, we can be the best tenant on the block. And so we're fully lit up. We have great signage.
Right.
Our rent might be a little bit less, but that creates more margin for us because we're going to leverage our brand name that we have in our
Mhm.
markets, to make sure that even if we're not in that A plus location, that we're able to still serve our customers, attract them because of the business decisions that we've made on how we model our stores, where we locate them, and it ends up being even more profitable from a percentage wise.